Westlands is at Kangem. Yes.
Daru vakiumete mweno mweri.
Yes.
Ni uhuthu marugamia mundu wao marugama thutha wao mari othe ri.
Yes.
Mundu wao akaigira.
The last time I think I'm not sure there was Betty Tet at one time. Betty Jerry Tet. Then there was Fred
Gumo.
Fidelis Omulo Gumo.
Na gikaikara we.
Nyaikara Then now there is Wanyonyi. Yes. Na kwa Westlands yako wana MP Mohede ni Westlands kani.
Westlands.
I don't remember.
Kagani.
Mundu warugama ko kamureci arugamaga. Party
Yagane kuaruga bete no ndirona tonire. Ndonire rutianjire.
Yes. Anyway, siasa kaneno ni ya Kanairo. Ndio. On politics, it's a lot of activity, particularly in our region. We don't know siasa itigeto.
Dhaishi eneo la mlima siasa imenoga.
Yes. You see, of course, the pace setter of the debate and discussions is the impeachment motion against Munyoro,
Deputy President.
Yes.
Shiro Rajia Rosho Senate. Rosho na Thursday.
Yes.
And probably Friday. Probably.
About. Might not be a very quick one. We're going to spill over into Friday. But pundits are arranging themselves. You know, siasa, siasa is very merciless.
No, siasa gotire itha. No, there is no mercy in politics.
Yes. I mean, no one amodo ginya Oria maratu anoko nasio maui maasio. Ni marafiki wanaitwa kufa
kupona
kusikana. Sio kupona. They have gone parallel lines. As we speak right now, you see, the impeachment debate is on. Yes, there's two sides of a coin. On a deputy president in Kwabatibaya, on a Kenya,
both sides.
Yes,
no idea either way.
Yes. Expect the best, but prepare
for the worst.
Yes. You manage expectations. Yes. They pundits now on the ground. Or region, they lobbying area. Malaga, hey, kid. You don't to party to get serious. Wajere go back go na go choka kono.
Ndakwirira tiliha last week.
Yes.
Ivyo wananisi wa kawaida le. Ivyo rutolio impeachment.
Yes.
The political and the elite.
Yes.
They are beyond impeachment. Ruo mareka robbing in case.
Hagi na that mweneni.
No to get front.
Modu wao. Chibi.
Mwenene modo wetu wala
Faruku sibe munanjua ifire kudeda.
Na huyu mtu alisimama na sisi sana.
Andwa kuri arogori. Marabu akendeki.
Yasio mako amete hau.
Huyo sasa ndio amekaribia pale. Unajua saa nyingine unaangalia ule amekaribia. Ule yako kwa interior. Ule akibekwa hapo ni haraka ina mambo mingi.
Na amekuwa na record ya kasi.
Na record yake huwa anagonga
Huyo ni student.
Ni mtu wa mae tupu. Huyo hajawahi sasa league ya hii.
Huyo ni wembe.
Hao wanakufa na
kao.
Rekao kwa.
Ne wao.
Kakwao. Kao.
Noko.
Nyaga wanasema nao. Mundu uria tu kwenda nengerwe gitekeu. Ni waiguru. Minji.
Na wakauga hata wamama wapewe nafasi.
Hata wao waweze kusikilia. Tusikie vile tunasikia msuri. Yes. There is lobbying all around.
Nago no kurago etagwetwo.
Yes.
Ona governor witu wa Muranga.
Warugongo.
Irungo Kang'ata.
No
No kurago etagwetwo.
guo.
He is also a possible candidate.
Yes, in case they bring it back home. Yes. Dona remo no kora gariri. Rogo kwa nyuma ama wanyu mweri. Akabatira githirikari. Agetia maratathi. Tiari. Akauga maria murandumeire mundu ucio ni atigetie point ici. Tumayo. Okay. They're also mentioning another astute and bright politician. Huyu ni kama alikaoneaga kitambo sana. Nani? Uria wili atiriri. Andu matithiaga iheta. Matareka gwikao gake. Kaiheta. Jogoma hata muti iguru ihaturagwo na eri engi. That must be kionjore. Mugithi uyu tukareri no kamitigo handu hariku. Tutikara tuike andu agwikonota. Tukorage ati muiki endirio. Tuikarete okay. Como athenirio kaigo anyina waicake ruti utikane kore handu waku uiyeia wakwa koro ni ndoi yako togoria mwa hani andie egukena uno etagwo Mwangi Kionjori. Yes, onake ni aragwetwo. He's also being mentioned in there. And you see, very. Yes. We ena kiratu extra. Yes. Ndona kiamba giake. Na kiamba giake. And if I'm not wrong, ngirora ngirimiti-ini iria ciakanirirwo na ciama iria ithondekete Kenya Kwanza ri. Yes. Yeye ako na kitu kwa mesa. Ako pale. Ako pale. Kwa hiyo. Ako pale. And you know, there are a lot of considerations. That is, if we get the impeachment through, if it goes through, there are a lot of considerations. Because the president will also consider his politics. Kwa barore atiriri. Tuwahe siasa ni. Because ideally president aba akarorage siasa. You know that's a political seat. Together so kyoke kiwira tondu wira niwe. No siasa. Yes, siasa. Arore uge oyu uri. Agiguthuka ri andu ni mamuigua rugongo ruu rwa kirima ena ruo kana tondu you see again on a president ni ararora riri re-election. Yes. Na gutiri undu ukoragwo we muritu hari muteti ti gwetha giti ku defend giti uikariire. Yes. Even more hard. And this time it might be even be hard. Yes. Riu no nginya karora uri there are times ahead. Gwakinya hindi uri. Yes. Agitucokaniria kura ta cigana. The bare minimum. Ya tungifatara iko 25%. 25% in all counties. No, 24 counties. In 24 counties. No, ikoro imweash. So there is a lot. Now the people are now the political pundits already having the discussion of kirudi nyumba. Kirudi nyumbani. Yes. But let's see, because we still have the Senate, we have the courts. It's not over until it is over. Yes. No runake muwe kwa kauga muthomi mugi. Aikagia maithoke na kabere. Yes. And I will say mugu na ndurume ule ona yacoka thuthari. Sometimes you retreat very quickly and regroup. Yes. Reke tuone cira uria wa senate uria ugathie rucio noke. Arakwira atiri politics moves very fast. Very fast. No, siasa bururi nayo ri yundu tondu wa riri. The previous administration, yes, wathani wa Uhuru wa Kenyatta, they started off very well. Yes. Oh, the meta was the dynamic what? The dynamic duo. The dynamic duo. Ile mekira ata ihana ile. Moka manyitanite moko. Faisa kama kila ni athie na kou. Ikio guko kwa left. Na athie na kou. Kikaumana. Agio dynasty. No, this is another one. Ino kire kanga ni yatengera. Yatengera muno. Ndui nake uyu wi kuratha nari. Hindi onake ni aikarire thi agikira ki. Akiiguirwo tha. Ndui andu muga mwana muramuria kira ndari uru na mundu. I think he played that card. Akihorera. No, I want your marks. Hara ugire mimi usilete. Wajana na mimi. Usisumbue watoto wangu.
Anyway. Itago siasa.
Politics. Ogekinya hau igwe kwa muru wongiri. Ukaigwa nya kenyua cia banga. Necia kangata ni yatiro. Cia kionjore monini wa mutongoria wa bururi. Aya.
Kana cia wa iguru.
Cia wa iguru minji kigondoro. Aya. Engatha ya kuria kirinyanga. Aya. Eko wa jalo.
Ndero wako irero kendeke.
Ako cia ina muno moiki. Okuria Manyara's daughter.
No, this might be a defining week.
It might be. Just might be. Let's just hope for the best.
Gatwaterera tuthigo tu acira ithuĩ to tithio Senate. Gatwaterera Senate uria gutu acira.
Yes, we are just observers todo na mweri weja nĩ wĩkaga atĩa.
Wĩroragĩrwo.
Yes.
Like 11:46.